This is a new land listing for sale, number 12 and number 14 Aster Street on Russell Island. So it is 2 blocks on separate titles. They are both 597 square meters each, and they're currently amalgamated for rating purposes only. So they are 2 separate titles. You can build 2 dwellings on them, or you can build 1 dwelling and subdivide and sell the second block later on. So this block here, number 12, has a water meter, and it does have a DA for a 3-bedroom house, and it also has the plumbing permit. Therefore we have a soil test, and we also have, it has been surveyed. The water meter costs about $4,000 to get connected. The power's not connected, but it is accessible either from that pole there or that pole there. Not too far from the water here. There is a driveway that has been made up here. And the blocks are totally clear, there's no trees to remove. $597 each, so quite spacious. Here is the water meter just in there. So it's not often you can get 2 blocks together and one with a DA all ready to go for a 3-bedroom house. So if you're interested, feel free to contact Kat from Redlands Coast Realty, and I am happy to pick you up from the ferry and bring you here. Thank you.